Ayo, Ikamalab Nunguna Twakayawa, streets call me Nappy Hippie. I'm all about the 043. That's the 5219. It's the Phondo Wave Cyphers, baby. It's the Infinity Cypher to be exact. Come on, the feeling of Anna.
You are with Veezo the Viper, the boy from Postem Locust. I'm out here representing my hood. I'm out here representing the whole EC. I'm out here with Phondo Wave Cyphers, trying to make my best. I'm trying to show myself who I am and where I come from.
Yeah, I feel like you were humble. You talked about being a king. Say that again, bro. Do you still feel like you're gonna be the king? Do you feel like you're gonna win this whole thing, bro? Are you confident enough?
You can't believe in life without dreams. Regardless of dreams, I am a king. I was born a king. So I'm gonna just prove it on all my bros out here, my team on this cypher. I'm gonna show them who I am on this Infinity Cypher. I'm trying my best to show who I am.
So we're talking about the Phondo Wave Cyphers. How did you find out about the Phondo Wave Cyphers?
I saw my cousin ATI Music. He was on one of the cyphers, the previous ones. So I felt like, hey, this is what I want. I should make a way to be out there. So as much as I do have my supporters, though, when I told them that they should vote for me, they voted for me. As you can see me, I'm inside the studio right now to kill the Infinity Cypher. So I'm about to prove it.
Oh, I love the confidence. So okay, wathetha nayo wambuza malunga the experience yakhe regarding involvement yakhe with Phondo Wave Cyphers.
No, I haven't talked to him but it's just that I saw how Phondo Wave was posting everything. I was staying captured about every single moment and a single scene about the cypher. So that's when I got to know about it.
So anyway, Page post down. Don't you have any last words for Ababandu actually? Big support throughout the entire process because it's a big success. So
firstly, I'm thankful for the opportunity of Aban voted in Big Lindau, and they should know that the king is out here fighting for it. So bazobona nzobuya nayo so ngoba.
Give us Yaku as far as it is, because in the lap and I'm the yeah, but do you feel like there's any part you feel like about Abantu Mamele? But like it's fire, but there's that one part you feel like Abazu you understand?
As for my people, they understand me, bro. So as much as I can get to break it down, I feel like so when the emotion, so I don't want to spoil the fun. Bazo itola masipumile bayibona.
Mabazvele.
Yes sir.
So how was in the studio working with Will R, our producer?
Shout out to Will Art for the beat because he's so dope. So me and him working inside the studio, it was just something else, something out of this world because he made things easier for me and he's so quick, like when it comes to editing, when it comes to getting to be creative and all that. So he's just a dope kid, man. Shout out to him because I guess he's the future though.
Sir, that's fire. Do you feel like you're an artist the way you guy? Because senitibene nonke ngiyawala we bakhona abanye khona omnyumbonayo ngokuyinsale yakanibona still ayikabikho la ishukumisa igazi.
Yeah bro, as I said so on the meet and greet with the Phondo Wave that I'm out here to kill the Infinity Cypher. I'm out here to kill the Infinity Cypher. So I ain't scared of nobody. I'm just me, I'm just the king. So niggas better be so cautious about.
You know what time it is. Coming up Unati Fanidungiawa. The streets call me Nappy. I'm all about the 043. That's the 52199. It's the Infinity Cypher. We out here. It's the big day. It's the big moment. It's the video shoot day, dog. It's happening, man. I got these beautiful people right behind me. Who do I have right now? Introduce yourself.
It's your boy Veezo the Viper, the Captain G. You already know what time it is. We're out here. It's Infinity Cypher.
Yo, man.
The whole Infinity team is just on some infinity level.
Yes,
we out here feeling ourselves and we lead it though because the Cypher is fuego, bro.
I feel like this is the best cycle.
Best cycle, of course.
It was actually exciting and surprising for the whole team to work out like this. And I'm thankful that we had a moment. It was so special and so
Captain
so
G.
El Capitan.
Man, they keep saying this is the best Cypher. Now I'm wondering, is any contestants from previously? What are you all thinking? Trilogy, Owens, the team.
What can you say?
Anyway, man. Yeah, Kabanisa, I know you did that.
So let's leave it at that. Infinity Cypher. Infinity Cypher.